Hello dear traders, happy new year, welcome to 2024. This is the first MK Web summary of the year. Let's get started. Today is the 5th of Jan. Markets are still open and will close in around 3-4 hours. Okay, euro dollar. So on the first we already had the option strike targets filled from before. Beautiful move. Euro dollar has been giving lately. So what happened on the second? It went further down, filled the next option strike target, and then you see already the MTS below the price. So went all the way down to the MTS on the third. So you see they filled the option strike targets, they filled the medium term stops, they filled the short term stops as soon as the shorties were leaving, okay, which you see with the downward sloping red squeeze line. So beautiful. Then on the fourth we had an option strike target long with an order gap zone on the way. The market was rather empty, and to make a long story short, today this one got filled. So the option strike target and the order gap zone got filled with a pin after the US news. Okay, so very beautiful there. Pound dollar had an MTS below the price, order gap zone, so took those out. Boom. At 19 past 2 it was taken out. EG, not much to say. Some longies came in and when it came off, as you can see from the day chart. Australian dollars on the first, we already had all the OSTs filled from before, so that was beautiful. Then we had a long option strike target as well there, but we also had the MTS below the price like euro dollar. So they took the the MTS with the pin during the news announcement, and then also took the option strike targets. It took both. So house clean to fill those targets. Kiwi did basically do the same. Dollar cut, we have an option strike target short there, but markets will not be open for long. But yeah, today it got filled with right after the news. Okay, so the smart money first cleared the high, took the stops of the dumb money shorties, and then went down and filled the OST. And that's how it looks like on the day chart. Dollar yen, so on the second took the upper MTS there, boom, that happened on the third. Also had an OST today and filled the one on the 30-minute chart, and can still fill the one next week on the hour chart. Pound yen, in the morning we had the OST, then the next one, so next week it probably gets filled, keep that in mind. Euro yen took the upper MTS here on the 4th, and also has now an OST like the other one, so next week could come off. Euro Aussie could do some kind of aura move down next week. We have an empty market though. Pound Aussie filled those order gap zones and also has an OST now, so can come off next week. Bitcoin, very interesting, so it made new highs, but then longies came in, so they had to shake them off on the 4th, went all the way down, cleared the low there where people potentially play stops, etc. And overall pretty much stayed in the consolidation, as you can see from today. Yeah. Let's see whether next week they're gonna try new highs. Gold, already on the 3rd of Jan, filled 1 to 3 OSTs with this move. Very beautiful. Also moved towards the MTS like euro dollar. Took it today with a pin. Look at this precision, exactly to the target and back up. So all these moves are tradable. So I think you guys will have a nice start of the year and a nice trading week overall. Silver, as predicted, took the lower MTS, which you see there on the 3rd. And by the way, take note how it filled that gap. Like often when we have price gaps, the smart money loves to fill them later on, like here. And you see the dumb money longies tried to buy it, so the smart money algos pushed silver down against the longies and filled the gap. Okay. So a very nice week, rather easy. I wish you a fantastic year 2024. Get those pips.